Hello everyone, this is Tilla from Perfect Pronunciation Academy. Today I'm going to be talking about Korean sounds that Korean speakers find difficult with when they're speaking in English. Now we have come to another consonant family, which is a V, B. So like the F sound, which is a fricative, V as in V for vase, does not exist in Korean, and hence the reason Korean speakers always substitute V for B. Okay, and it is very similar. V for vase or Vancouver, so V, and B, which is for B as in banana. All right, so you have to actually say the correct voicing. B as a voice. V. You have to pronounce it correctly. Now let's say a couple of words which end with a V sound. Love, have, drive, they are finishing F sound. Living, Victor, vest, van, valley. All right, so I love to have a van. Maybe make up your sentences, have a bit of fun with them, and then hit me up if you need some help with them, and I'm certainly able to help you. Now I have got a really cool project that I'm planning and working on, and please jump on to Perfect Pronunciation Academy over there so you can find out more about my exciting project, and you'll be up with the first one to know when I finally get there. See you in the next video.